Unlock the secrets of the opposite sex. Discover a life-changing journey through human understanding. Have you ever found yourself wondering why the man in your life seems to zone out during conversations? Or why the woman beside you struggles to navigate even with GPS in hand? Do you feel like no matter how much you love someone, you're sometimes speaking different languages? You're not alone. And the answers lie in a groundbreaking, eye-opening, and empowering book. Why Men Don't Listen and Women Can't Read Maps, by Allan and Barbara Pease. This international bestseller isn't just a book, it's a revelation. A deeply engaging and often hilarious guide to understanding the opposite sex. This book brings clarity, insight, and hope to anyone who has ever struggled in relationships, communication, or teamwork between men and women. A scientific yet entertaining exploration of human nature. Backed by research in neuroscience, evolutionary psychology, and years of global surveys, this book reveals that the differences between men and women aren't just cultural, they're biological. The authors guide readers through the fascinating world of brain science, showing that men and women literally think differently, feel differently, and respond differently. These aren't flaws, they're evolutionary features. You'll learn why men are often better at reading maps and navigating direction, why women excel at multitasking and reading emotional cues, how male brains are wired for solutions, while female brains are tuned for empathy, why men can focus on one task for hours and women can juggle 5, how hormonal differences shape memory, stress response, and communication styles. This book replaces judgment with understanding. It's not about who's better, it's about recognizing how both ways of thinking complement each other. And when we embrace that truth, our relationships, marriages, workplaces, and friendships transform for the better. Break through communication barriers. One of the most powerful takeaways from this book is the idea that most conflicts between men and women aren't caused by selfishness or lack of care. They arise from deeply ingrained differences in how we perceive and process the world. When we understand those differences, frustration fades, compassion replaces conflict, laughter returns to the conversation. Allan and Barbara Pease write with such wit and relatability that every chapter feels like a conversation with old friends. Friends who happen to hold the keys to unlocking human connection. Their engaging anecdotes and real-world examples will have you nodding, laughing, and saying, "That makes so much sense." A tool for every relationship, personal and professional. This isn't just a book for couples. It's a manual for managers, teachers, parents, and anyone who interacts with both genders. Understanding how men and women differ in decision-making, stress handling, leadership, and teamwork opens new doors in every part of life. With this book in your hands, you'll become a better communicator, a more understanding partner, a wiser leader, and a more confident individual. Empowerment through understanding. In a world often divided by misunderstanding and conflict, Why Men Don't Listen and Women Can't Read Maps is a beacon of empathy and empowerment. It teaches us to celebrate our differences, not criticize them, to collaborate, not compete, and to appreciate the unique perspectives that each person brings to the table. When we stop trying to change each other and instead strive to understand one another, we unlock the full potential of our relationships. A journey worth taking. Whether you're in a new relationship or a decades-old marriage, a team leader or a curious learner, this book offers tools, strategies, and insights that will serve you for life. It's not just about gender, it's about humanity. It's about breaking down barriers, deepening your emotional intelligence, and stepping into a more harmonious and fulfilled life. So, why should you read this book? Because you deserve to be understood. Because you deserve to understand. Because the people in your life, partners, friends, colleagues, deserve the best version of you. The one who listens, laughs, learns, and leads with love. Pick up Why Men Don't Listen and Women Can't Read Maps today. Let it challenge you. Let it inspire you. Let it transform the way you see the world and the people in it. Because when we bridge the gap between men and women, we don't just build better relationships, we build a better world.